Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. In this video, we'll walk you through how to adjust the headers in Excel. In practical Excel automation, we often encounter various formats of Excel files. Many times, the headers in these Excel files may not meet our expectations. For example, they might be in a different language or contain certain serial numbers that are not user-friendly. To facilitate subsequent automation processes with Excel, we often need to organize the headers to make the Excel data more readable. Later, we'll introduce methods to adjust the headers to enhance the readability of the data. Regular expression notation, also known as regexp or regular expression, provides a more flexible approach compared to the A1 and col notation methods previously introduced. Why do we need this approach? Because there might be cases where the column names in the Excel sheet remain the same, but their positions vary. With this method, we can format data consistently despite variations in column positions, thus overcoming the limitations of A1 and column notation. We have prepared an Excel file, and we will use Emily's Excel module to read the data in the file and process the header row in different ways. Let's proceed directly to training mode and select the Excel processor module. Open the Debug tool and switch to the console page. Use Pick to select the file you want to read. After picking the file, select the worksheet to analyze and click Detect. You will see that the header row has been detected. After detecting the header, we need to modify the data cell. The data cell indicates the starting position of the data. Since A1 belongs to the header and has no data, we need to change it to A2. Once everything is set up, you can enter the following code to see if the data is correctly read. Then click Test. While doing this, open the Excel file to observe. You will notice that each row of data becomes an object, where the key represents the header and the value represents the data of that column. Additionally, all objects are collected into an array representing all the data. However, you may notice that the keys in the header row and the objects in the console are not easily identifiable. We can modify them using the following methods. We can rewrite the headers using regular expression notation as follows. In this notation, each object in the array represents a header field, containing both regexp and name keys. The value of regexp indicates the keyword we want to search for. For example, if we want to find fields containing title, we can write the first object as shown. The name key contains the desired field name. Now, let's consider the third object. We encounter a problem because there are multiple fields containing P. How do we find the price field we want? We can add another key value pair to the object, offset and a number. Here, offset specifies the number of cells to offset from the initial match. In our example, it starts from the first field containing P and then moves 2 cells to the right to find the target field. In Excel's header, we can see that 3 columns contain P. We want to find the third one, so we define the third object accordingly. After inputting this configuration, click Test and check the console. You'll see that the headers or input keys are changed to the names we defined. Now, let's open the Emily file and look at other examples. Copy the examples from inside and see how we can find relevant columns by using product name as the keyword to end the search. We'll also rename the column at position C using the A1 notation. Copy the examples back to Emily. Select different tabs, open the Excel file to see difficult to recognize columns, then return to Emily and click Test again. You'll notice that the headers are now as we defined.